Hey, it's Shels from Element 62 Media. So last week, Facebook very quietly fed out just a little ripple of information across the Facebook Business Center that told us that Facebook would be completely shuttering its analytics platform from June of this year. That's huge, right? And they're only giving us 3 months to plan. So what do you need to know? Well, the first thing is, it's true, they are shuttering Facebook analytics. And that does mean that we're going to have to work a lot harder to try and understand and access the data that Facebook as a platform provides to us as admins and as marketers. And it also means that for some people, the data might just disappear because the alternatives that they're offering are not like-for-like solutions. They're not creating a new analytics platform. They're not creating an enhanced platform that will combine all of its existing platforms. They're just not doing it. So what they're saying is Facebook Ads Manager, Facebook Events Manager, and the Facebook Business Suite should collectively give you all the data you need, but it means that it's going to be up to you to find the solutions that suit you and suit your business. Now, a couple of small problems with that. The first one is Facebook Business Suite isn't available to everyone. At the moment, it's only available to small businesses that are deemed to be eligible. Facebook have promised that they will roll it out to all businesses throughout 2021, but we're in April and there's been absolutely no word from them on making good on that promise. So we'll just have to wait and see when and if that comes to bear. Long story short, Facebook is changing. You probably won't notice much at the front end from a user perspective, but if you're an admin, the information that you have access to is definitely going to become harder to find. That's been happening consistently over the last few months anyway, as Facebook has adapted to try and deal with the new privacy laws and the concerns and all the questions that have been coming out as a result of recent events in politics and across the social spectrum. But the point is that things are changing. And whether this is a good change or a bad change remains to be seen, but it is going to challenge us as marketers, and we need to adapt how we're managing our social platforms and how we're managing our data collection to make sure that we're getting the information when we need it in the right way. And if the platforms aren't going to provide us for it, where are we going to find it? So start a plan, download and export all the data that you have on there already. You just have to click the little box at the top, export to CSV. That will give you everything you have to now, and that will be a really great basis to understand your customer at the moment, where they are today, and hopefully it will give you enough to work with that you should be able to use that in tandem with the existing tools that they're providing to give you a foothold for a start. Otherwise, you might have to start thinking about looking for a third-party app or a third-party supplier to help you analyze whatever data is available to extract the insights that you need. It's not ideal, but that's the way it is at the moment. Be aware of it, make sure you export the data, and I will speak to you soon with any new information that comes up. In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the little bell if you want to be kept informed every time I post new content, and I look forward to speaking to you again soon. See you later.